Welcome back to Blade Guide. Whether you're opening boxes, breaking down cardboard, or just want something reliable clipped in your pocket every day, a good folding knife is one of the most useful tools you'll ever own. Today we're breaking down the 10 best pocket knives of 2026 in this full buyer's guide, covering everyday carry favorites, tough folders for outdoor use, and a few budget picks that punch way above their price. Whatever your use case, there's something on this list for you. Let's get into it, starting at number 10. And at number 10, we're kicking things off with a timeless classic, the Opinel No.8. This French-made folder has been around for over a century, and it's still one of the best entry points into quality knives today. The carbon steel blade takes an incredibly sharp edge and is a joy to use for everyday tasks like opening mail, food prep, or light whittling. The beechwood handle is lightweight and comfortable, and the Viroblock locking collar keeps the blade secure once open. It's not built for heavy-duty abuse, but for simple, reliable everyday carry at a genuinely low price. The No.8 is hard to beat. If you want to understand what makes a good knife feel good in hand before spending more, start here. And at number 9, the Victorinox Cadet brings Swiss Army versatility into a slim, pocket-friendly package. Beyond the main blade, you're getting a nail file, scissors, and a few other small tools packed into the Alox handle, genuinely useful for everyday situations rather than just novelty. The stainless steel blade is easy to sharpen and holds up well for light cutting tasks, and the whole knife is thin enough to disappear into a pocket without any bulk. It's not a hard-use tool, but for travelers, commuters, or anyone who wants a multi-tool that still looks sharp and professional, the Cadet checks every box. And at number 8, the CRKT Drifter is one of the best budget folders on the market, offering serious bang for your buck. The 8CR13 MOV stainless steel blade holds a solid edge for everyday cutting tasks, and the stainless steel handle with wood inlays gives it a look that feels far more expensive than it is. The thumb stud makes for quick, one-handed opening, and the liner lock keeps things secure during use. It's a great option if you want a dependable EDC knife without spending big, or as a backup blade you don't mind losing or lending out. And at number 7, the Kershaw Blur has been a staple of the EDC community for years, and it's easy to see why. The Sandvik 14C28 end steel blade holds an edge well and sharpens easily, while speed-safe assisted opening gets the blade out fast when you need it. The trademark TrackTech inserts on the handle give you a secure, non-slip grip in any condition, and the drop-point blade shape makes it genuinely versatile for everyday tasks. It's compact enough to carry comfortably, but substantial enough to handle real work, which is exactly the balance most people are looking for in a daily carry knife. And at number 6, the Buck 110 Folding Hunter is proof that a great design doesn't need to change much over the decades. This classic lockback folder features a 3.75-inch clip point blade made from 420HC steel, known for good edge retention and easy sharpening. The brass bolsters and wood handle scales give it a rugged, traditional look, while the sturdy lock-back mechanism keeps the blade secure during heavier tasks like field dressing or general outdoor use. It's on the larger side for a pocket knife, but for hunters, campers, and traditionalists who want a folder that feels built to last generations, the 110 remains a top pick. And at number 5, the Gerber Fastball is a modern, minimalist EDC knife built for speed and simplicity. The 7CR17 MOV stainless steel blade comes finished with a smooth flipper mechanism, letting you deploy it quickly and confidently with one hand. Its slim, lightweight profile makes it one of the more comfortable knives on this list for all-day carry, and the deep carry pocket clip keeps it discreet. It's not designed for heavy outdoor abuse, but as a clean, no-nonsense knife for daily tasks, the Fastball delivers reliable performance without unnecessary bulk. And at number 4, the SOG Flash 3 Malawian Quatches is built around one thing: speed. SOG's assisted opening mechanism gets this blade open almost instantly, which matters when you need a knife ready right now. The D2 steel blade holds an excellent edge and resists wear far better than budget steels, making it a great step up for people who want performance closer to premium knives without the premium price. The textured GRN handle stays secure in your grip, and the reversible pocket clip adapts to how you actually carry. For anyone who wants a fast-deploying, hard-wearing EDC option, the Flash 3 Malawian Quatches delivers serious value. And at number 3, The Cold Steel Recon 1 is built for people who want their pocket knife to handle real, demanding use. The S35VN steel blade offers excellent edge retention and toughness, staying sharp through far more use than most folders on this list. The Triad lock is one of the strongest folding knife locking mechanisms available, giving you confidence even under heavy pressure. The G10 handle scales provide a secure, textured grip in any condition, and the overall build feels more like a fixed blade than a folder. If you want a pocket knife that can genuinely take a beating, the Recon 1 is one of the toughest options you'll find. And at number 2, the Spyderco Para 3 is a favorite among knife enthusiasts for good reason. It's about as close to a perfect all-around EDC knife as you'll find. The CPM S30V or S45VN steel blade, depending on the version, holds an edge exceptionally well, and the compression lock gives you a strong, easy-to-disengage locking system. The signature round thumb hole allows for fast, smooth one-handed opening, and the textured G10 handle stays secure whether your hands are dry or wet. It's compact enough for daily carry, but capable enough to handle demanding tasks, which is exactly why it's earned a cult following among EDC carriers. And at number 1, the Benchmade Bugout takes the top spot as the best pocket knife of 2026. This knife is built around one core idea: doing everything well while weighing almost nothing. At just over 1.85 ounces, it's one of the lightest premium folders available, but the CPM S30V or S90V steel blade, depending on the version, still delivers excellent edge retention and easy sharpening. The Axis lock system provides smooth, ambidextrous operation and dependable security, and the Grivery handle keeps the whole package feather light without feeling cheap. Whether you're using it for daily EDC tasks or bringing it along on the trail, the Bugout combines premium materials, thoughtful design, and genuine everyday practicality, which is exactly why it earns the top spot on our list. And that wraps up our full buyer's guide to the 10 best pocket knives of 2026. From the timeless Opinel No.8 at number 10 to the ultra-light Benchmade Bugout at number 1. There's a knife here for every budget, every use case, and every level of experience. Which one's earning a spot in your pocket? Let us know in the comments below. And if this guide helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and stick around here at Blade Guide for more knife reviews, buyer's guides, and gear breakdowns.